So, now there's an explosion that happened, 2 hours ago in Florida. There was an explosion in Florida, and the reports are still coming in, but from what I hear, what I've heard, is that there are plumes of black smoke, dark black smoke, billowing into the air. Now, I'm still trying to gather if it's a building, structure fire, explosion, or if it was a vehicle, a truck overturned, or if it was a train that went off of the tracks again. That part is still unclear, but we know that there has been an explosion of some kind, and there is dark black smoke billowing into the air. So, yeah. Another one.